Not only does it support split screen, but each app can also exclusively enjoy the large screen. Isn't the OPPO Find N5's large screen interaction a perfect score? Speaking of foldable screens, don't you want to ask what exactly this large screen can enhance for me? You see, when open, the 8.12-inch screen of the OPPO N5, which is close to the size of an iPad mini, allows 3 apps to be opened simultaneously. Each app can exclusively use the large screen when in use. Doesn't this AI panoramic virtual screen greatly enhance the efficiency of the large screen? When you repeatedly switch between 2 apps, it will suggest you split the screen. This AI smart document is comfortable to view on the large screen and can help you summarize and save directly. If you want to annotate, you can split the screen directly on the right. With intelligent translation side by side, doesn't such a large screen greatly enhance efficiency? If you're a Mac user, you can also use the large screen to remotely control your computer, instantly turning it into a mobile office tool. With such high efficiency on a large screen, are you still thinking that foldable screens are too thick and heavy? Configurations are limited? But it's 2025, it's time to let go of those concerns. Look at the OPPO Find N5. It's only 8.93 millimeters thick, thinner and lighter than many flat-screen flagships. After using it for a month, my most direct impression is that in terms of thickness and weight, it doesn't feel like a foldable screen at all. Moreover, the new 3D laser-printed titanium alloy lead ball hinge allows the recessed part to be smooth. And when the U5 is opened, it is very flat, with minimal creases. It's also quite reliable, offering triple waterproof protection. You should definitely experience it in person at a store. Even though it's thinner and lighter, the battery hasn't been compromised. I've been using it as my main device for a month, often utilizing the large screen, and it lasts a whole day without any issues. For those who drive, the 50-watt wireless charging is also standard, which can only be described as all-encompassing. This time, besides the device being thin and light, the protrusion of the periscope telephoto leading ultralight 3-color imaging module is also minimal. I won't elaborate much on the imaging effect, just pick it up and capture what's around you. A good camera is what we want to record with. Coupled with outstanding performance, the OPPO Find N5 offers you the same thinness and versatility as a flat-screen flagship, while also providing the unique efficiency and productivity of a large screen. Is it a perfect score for foldable screens? The answer is, besides the all-encompassing phone, the OPPO Watch X2, which was released together, is also quite versatile. It not only offers real-time monitoring of blood oxygen, heart rate, and sleep, but can also assess blood pressure. Whether you're drinking, staying up late, or feeling unwell, it provides a comprehensive 60-second health check with 14 detailed data points. 2.0. You can understand your physical condition at any time. While your phone is efficient enough, don't forget to take care of your body too.